Hey everyone, welcome back to Priya's Hacks. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share a small makeup haul with you guys. Recently, I did some shopping on Sephora US website. I like watching makeup haul videos, so I thought you guys might enjoy it as well. So that is why I'm making this video. Before starting the video, I want to make one thing very clear. I'm not trying to show off anything. I'm just excited. I shared my excitement with my family. You guys are also my family as well, so I want to share my excitement with you guys as well. But before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also ring the bell next to the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification. And that's all for intro. Let's start the video. This is the package that everything came in. So first I'll start with eye makeup. Coming to eye makeup, I'll start with eyeshadows. I got two eyeshadow palettes. One is actually from Ulta and one is from Sephora. The first one is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This is said to be a very versatile palette. You can do everyday looks as well as you can do pretty beautiful eye makeup with this. These are the colors. You can see there are neutrals and also there are very bright and bold colors as well. So you can do everyday makeup look and also party makeup and pretty beautiful eye makeup with this. So that's why I got this one. And the second one, as I told you, I got it from Ulta and I am very excited for this one, and it is the one and only James Charles palette. This palette is kind of my dream. I wanted to get Morphe 35B palette, but it was no longer available and they improvised that and they released this palette in collaboration with James Charles. This palette, you won't believe it guys, this palette was actually out of stock for 4 months. This palette went out of stock right away it was released because this palette was so much hype, and I waited 4 months, almost 4 months to get my hands on this. This is how the palette looks like. You can see there are some bold colors and also some neutral and everyday colors, so you can create everyday looks and as well as pretty bold and colorful looks with this. But this palette is said to be a little bit difficult to work with because this is actually a professional range palette and I'm not a professional, I'm still learning. And hopefully I can learn how to work with this palette, and I am so excited and I cannot wait to create some eye looks using this palette. Next product I got is the eyeliner. This is the Benefit roller liner. This is the mini version. They also have original and large version, but I didn't get that because I'm sure I'll not be able to use all the product and I don't want my product to get wasted and I don't want to waste money. So that's why I got the mini version. Most of the products I have here are in mini versions because as I told you, I'll not be able to use up all those products and I don't want to waste my money and the product as well. So that's why most of the products I have here are the mini variants. So this is the eyeliner that I got, and I have two mascaras here. The first one is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is again the mini version. And the another mascara I have here is the Dior mascara, and again this is also the mini version. The next product I have here, the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. This is in the shade black. So this is the eye makeup that I got. Next we'll move on to face makeup. So I got this Too Faced Hangover Primer. This is also the mini version. After the primer I got this Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I got this in the shade Natural Beige. This is the full version. And next I have the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I got this in the shade Natural Beige as well. This is the mini version. They have the full version also, but as I told you, I'm not gonna use concealer as much as I use the foundation. Next I have the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, and I got this in the shade Cookie Dough. And I'm sorry, I forgot to mention I have another primer as well. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. This is again the mini version. I didn't get the full version because it was expensive and also I don't want to waste the product, so I just got the mini version. I'll just open it and show you guys. So this is how the product looks. It is very tiny and this is what it looks inside the container. So there is that, and after that I have two setting powders. First one is the Cover FX setting powder. This is again the mini version. This is the Cover FX setting powder, and also I got the Laura Mercier setting powder. This is also the mini version. Next I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio. You get 3 blushes in this. I'll just open it and show you guys. This is in the shade Berry Adore. You get 3 blushes and also you get a mirror here. And after blush I got 2 bronzers. The first one is Hourglass bronzer. This is the mini variant. I'll open it and show you guys how ridiculously small this is. This is how the packaging looks, and if I open this, this is the product that you get. This is so ridiculously small. Because this is a mini version, it is so small, you guys, and it is for $25. If you want to get the full version, it is $65, I think. So small and so ridiculous. And next I got the Too Faced Soleil bronzer. This is also pretty small, and this is the amount of product you get, but it smells so good. It smells like chocolate. This is also ridiculously small because it is mini version. Next, moving on to the highlighter, I have the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife. This is how the packaging looks like. The packaging is very beautiful. It kind of have a duochrome finish to it. It also comes with a mirror, but the lid is very tight and opening it is very difficult. So it comes with a mirror, and this is how the highlighter looks like. This is very glittery and very, I don't know, but this is like, you know, in your face highlighter. You cannot use this every day. This is not your everyday highlighter, but this is very pretty. After the highlighter, I also got 2 liquid lipsticks. First one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Seraphine. This is very bold red color. This is actually blue based red color. This is very bold and very bright. Oh, this is how it looks. I always wanted to get a bold red color, so that's why I got this one. The next lipstick I got is from Too Faced. This is their Molten Matte lipsticks. This is in the shade Feeling Myself. This is how it looks. This is a pastel coral color. This is the swatch. After that, I got 2 makeup setting sprays. The first one is Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. This is the mini version. I didn't get the full version. And the another one is Urban Decay All Nighter mini version, but unfortunately the product got leaked and there is nothing left in the bottle. Next I have 2 skincare products. The first one is very fancy, very luxury Nurse Jamie face roller. This is actually very luxury and very expensive, but I heard really good things about this product, so that's why I got this one. And next I have a free gift for all the purchases that I did. What is it? First Aid Beauty. It is from the brand First Aid Beauty. So I'll just open this and show you guys. The products you get here are actually ridiculously small. Let me show you. This is the Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil. Just look at the packaging. Look how tiny it is. I mean, I'm like, what the hell is this? It is so tiny. What is this? And next we have the facial radiance pads. These are supposed to exfoliate, tone and brighten, and these are alcohol free, safe for sensitive skin. Next I have the face cleanser with antioxidant boosters. And finally we have Ultra Repair Barrier Cream. This is supposed to strengthen, balance and hydrate your skin. So guys, this is the video for today. I hope you enjoy watching the video because I enjoy watching haul videos all the time. If you enjoyed, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your family and friends so that they also know about my channel. And I'll see you in my next video.